Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you, using our platform, in a very simple case, why proper budget allocation is crucial. By optimizing your budget, you can save money and avoid losses. Let's imagine we're running two ad campaigns for the same product, Ad Google and Ad Facebook. The two campaigns can be accounted on our platform as two records of our input table. Both campaigns have the same expected return because the cost per engagement is $1 for both. This value is reported in our table, as well the level of the conversion rate that is identical equal 3%. In the table we report also the level of revenues generated by each cell, $60, because each campaign insists on the same product. Because the expected performances of the two campaigns are identical, we invest $5,000 in each campaign for a total of $10,000. However, there's a key difference: risk levels. The differences in risk profiles of the two campaigns are accounted by the cost risk and the conversion risk fields of our table. Ad Google has a low-risk profile while the Ad Facebook has a high-risk profile with greater uncertainty. And this is where budget optimization matters. Now let's have a look at the total level of the sales. From the plot dedicated to the sales, we observe that both campaigns should generate 150 sales each, totaling 300 sales, the height of our histograms. But when factoring in risk, we look at potential losses reported in our plot in red. The sales relatives to the Ad Google, low risk, could drop to 120, while the sales of Ad Facebook, high risk, could drop to 75. We may also quantify the potential losses looking at the revenues, setting the risk map unit equal to revenues. Looking at the corresponding plot, we observe that the revenues generated by Ad Google drops from $9,000 to $7,500, while those generated by Ad Facebook drops from $9,000 to below $4,500. Therefore, a 50 by 50 budget split isn't optimal, and the level of potential losses is significant. Using our platform, let's make an optimized budget reallocation. But before, let's setting a minimum budget of $770 and a maximum budget of $8,800 per campaign. Then let's run the optimization. In such simple case, it is clear that the budget of the low-risk Ad Google campaign increases, while the exposure to the high-risk Ad Facebook campaign decreases. Thus, we observe directly on the legend of our plot that with the new allocation, the risk drops from 53% to 33%, while maintaining same expected returns. Looking at the impact of the budget optimization on revenue, if we group the total level of revenues of both campaign setting product in the field analysis of our dashboard, we observe that in the worst case the revenues could fall to $14,000 instead of $12,000, saving $2,000, and this just making a smarter budget allocation. This proves the advantage of risk-aware budget allocation. Therefore, if you want to make smarter budget decisions, try our tool today. Check the description for details, and don't let poor budget allocation cost you money.